Alright guys, we got the smoker going. Come over here and let y'all see what we got here. I haven't even looked yet. We got a lot of bees. Man, we vacuumed a lot last night. That's crazy how many that are left in there. That little bit of comb. Boy, I'd love to see a queen right now. She's gonna be in that batch. We're trying to figure out, we left our buckets. We're gonna have to I'm gonna have to build some more hive boxes because I just have the one and we could have really used another one. So if I vac them out, I'm not gonna be able to get the comb in there with them, which is fine. We can take it home if we need to. I mean, we've got a lot of brood as it is, and we may just get the honey out of that. This is what we got going on. This is what we got left. These girls are just still working. Just still working. And I'm turning it where the big light, that way they're not shining. I wonder if I turn the light down and open it up, if that'll help. Yeah, it doesn't give us a blinding. Okay, something's just bit my leg. Alright, so that's enough of that for a few minutes. Wish us luck, maybe we'll get to queen. Alright, that is nothing but propolis, where all the rotted wood, when they were on the inside, they were filling all of those holes. All of that shiny right in there is the goo, the propolis that they were trying to seal up. Got a couple other spots where there's some, but that just, I mean, look at that. Look at all that. And then you're just dropping it down on.
I was just thinking that.
We're not worried about them coming back. They're not going to come back to an open space. I thought you were scraping it because you wanted it.
I was going to, and then it was over.
There's another spot where the propolis is just running down the wall. Let me get my camera out of the way. That line right there, that is a line of propolis. That's just pretty cool. I think it's pretty neat that these little bitty bees can make that. All of that. Well, as you can see, they've cleaned it out. That's it. Oh, camera, I can't get away from it. I just think it's neat. What is that? Propolis right there. It is. That's white. And then that's propolis right there. Yeah, so let's go. You got my knife? You got my knife?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, it's no big deal. Nah, I was just gonna play. No, I was just gonna cut something. It's slow enough I can still cut it out once I get down. Alright. That to me is just so neat. All that propolis running down right there. Wonder if I got honey all over my... I did. There you go. Propolis running down the wall.
Alright, hey guys. Took 4 trips. First one was to go look at it. I'm gonna try something. That's not better. That's worse. Alright. Y'all complain about my truck if you want, but I haul a lot of stuff in here. If when I get to some job I gonna need it, it's pretty much in here. So anyway, it is 1:30 in the morning. We're about 30 minutes from the house now, 35 minutes. Gotta go home and are we gonna try to move them, or we're gonna wait and just leave them in the back box? I don't know.
Yeah, that's fine overnight.
Probably gonna leave them in the back box. Move them tomorrow. Try to look for Queen tomorrow evening. 4 trips. First one we went and looked. Second one we took off the siding, and I realized it was a lot bigger than I thought it was, and decided we'd come back. Third night, which was last night, we vacked most of them, majority of them, got most of the comb out. Then had a little issue. I don't think we had an issue with the vac, other than I had a screen that had gotten stopped up, and they weren't vacuuming. The vacuum just didn't have any suction. But I thought it was full of bees, because I thought I had, this is only my 5th one. It's the largest one. Not sure how many bees we backed up, whether I filled my space up, so we erred on the side of caution and just decided we'd make another trip down. And it was getting really late. I think at that point it was just 11:30. We did a little bit more, and then we left there. We left there at 12:30, but we stopped and got something to eat. So that's why it was so late getting home. This is our 4th trip. We finished out the last little bit of comb that was in there. Cleaned up a little bit. I realized that doing beehive removal, not everybody's going to want to pay to have them removed. Which means I get to pay, basically, to have them removed. I'll get faster at it, but it still takes 2, 3, 4, 5 hours to remove a hive and clean up, and then another couple hours when you get home, or hour or so when you get home, looking for the queen and getting everything moved around and getting them out of the vac. Lost my train of thought. Still a lot of work. Somebody's got to pay for it. It's like the gas down here. Now, this was you can have them if you want them. We're going to spray them, and the reasons not to spray them are you get roaches, you get the hives just get really nasty. You get mice and rats, but they weren't concerned because this was just an old house, and the guy mows by it, and he, you can't convince some people. You just can't convince that bees aren't going to sting you, and of course you can't guarantee they're not going to sting you. But I don't think they're going to attack you like yellow jackets will. I can't stand yellow jackets. I've been attacked 3 times by yellow jackets. Multiple stings. Do not like that. I didn't use a lot of protection on this one. I veiled a couple times. I do not like wearing the coat. It's too heavy. I got stung once, and it was an under my shirt sting, so I really wasn't attacked. I don't have a lot of experience doing hive removals, but the videos that I've seen and watched, I have not heard them talk about having a lot of drones. I'm amazed at how many drones. I mean, just like this last trip down there, there was a point to where it wasn't half of what was left, but 6, 7 drones out of 10 were drones. I'm not real sure exactly what that means, whether they had swarmed. I do know that, you know, drones are born, created for scouting and for mating. That's pretty much it, right?
They don't scout.
They don't scout?
No.
Drones don't do anything.
All drones do is eat and mate with the queen.
Okay, I thought the drones were the scouts. I thought
And they die after they mate with the queen.
Yeah. Anyway, all right. Well, we're heading home. I'm gonna post this video, putting these up in segments. Got a lot of GoPro video. Maybe we'll get around to editing it. I'd like to. I've just run a busy schedule. I got a lot going on. Trying to work on this flip house that we're doing. Yeah, I've got those videos. I'm posting those. I was trying to post one every day that we were there, and I stumbled a little bit at first because I was waiting on approval. I've got a video recorded for every day. I just need to sit down and post them. Those I need to edit a little bit. I do know the more I do these, the easier it'll be for me not to say things that I want to would have to take out later or whatever. So coming up to stop exit. Anyway, appreciate you watching. Comment. Just keep it nice. Like, share, subscribe. Hippie out.